Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole and today we are going to do our box challenges. So I have 2 box challenges we're going to do today. They are, where are they? Here they are. So our first one we are going to do is fall into savings box with CBA Mom Saves and Savvy Girl Saves. These are the perfect low income, low denominations. So I'm going to put $10 in here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let me get that in there. All right. And so we do have a 25-cent IOU. So I'm going to take one of our 25-cent pieces and put it off to the side. And so we have $10 here in our prop coins that it comes with the box challenge. I feel like that's crooked. I hope it's not crooked. But this is on their coffee shops, so it's completely free. So we're going to go ahead and get started. All right, we got to search and save. And I've decided that I'm going to keep, when we get like an add extra, I'm going to keep those in play for a couple times until, okay, so that's 50 cents. We're going to do, and then we got to find this one. There we go, and 25. Okay, perfect. We'll put that one off to the side. All right, and search and save. We have some squirrels and some tea, maybe. There we go, 50 cents for these squirrels. And then our tea is 75 cents. Perfect. All right, so we'll go ahead. There are 75-cent pieces. I just didn't put them in the mix here. All right, we have a little jug thingy. All right, that is 50 cents. How is everybody doing today? I'm doing pretty good. Oh, and then our little heart wood thingy is 25 cents. Beautiful. Oh, see, and okay, so this is what I'm talking about, the add 50 cents. So that's going to be 75 cents. So I'm going to leave it. I'm going to put it back in for a couple more go-arounds, and I'm not going to cross that off just yet. See, okay, add 25 cents. So we got to find our little bear. I haven't gotten any of those color and saves yet, so I don't know if there's any cards. I don't remember if there's any cards in there or not. Maybe. Oh, here we go. 75 cents. So that's going to be $1. Perfect. Add another 25 cents. Oh my goodness. Okay. So that's going to be 50 cents. Put. All right, let's go ahead and 1, 2. All right. All right, a tree. We add 25 cents on top of what it is. Maybe if I could find it. There we go. 75 plus that is $1. Perfect. Turkey at $1.50. $1.50. I think that will be the last one for today. We'll cross the next one off. Because I was like 5 in a row, and we haven't gotten through any cards. All right, 75, that 25 plus $1. Go ahead there. I don't even know if that made any sense what I just said, but it made sense in my head. All right. Oh, here we go. September, color, and save. Replay this card until finished. Okay, 50 cents per icon. Let's see, what do we got left? All right, we'll go through. We'll just do one for now. Oh, here we go. Play $2. Pay $2 for the fall fair. Place $2 in each envelope. Okay, I don't have $2 to put in each envelope. That's crazy. $2. That's like that's a lot. That's spicy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's $10. I do have it, but dang. I'm gonna have to swap out. I got a 20. So we're gonna have to swap that out at the end. That's rude. That's not coming back in. We're done with that one. Okay. October, color, and save. All right, 50 cents per icon. Is that haul 1 icon? All right, we're just going to sloppily color this in. All right, and we are likely going to get a IOU. I know it. All right, search and save for the table. $1. Yep, we sure are. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. So we will have a 75-cent IOU. All right, and then we'll go ahead and all right, so I'm going to go ahead and swap that 20, and we'll just take those ones out. That was crazy. Crazy. So right now, we have $30 in our Fall into Savings Box Challenge, and I will leave their YouTubes and everything linked in the description. And we'll get these put away. All right, so our next box challenge is going to be the Cozy Season Box Challenge. Okay, and I have these over here. Oh, and I forgot to put my money in it. I apologize. Hold on, let me get these out. For the Cozy Season Box Challenge, we have 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $50. And for this one, we'll do like last time. We will put $50 on the calculator and just subtract it that way. I didn't want to have to get out another like binder and put everything in there, so that is why it is that way. We're going to start off with a shut the box. So let's hope we do better this time. All right, we got 6 and 2, 6, we got 5 and 1. That's all we can do. And a 3. Oh my goodness. If I shut the box, whoo, girl. 5. Okay, so we got 4. So we'll minus 4. Perfect. Okay. Oh, and then we do have, there's only one or two of these cards for this one. So we'll go ahead and we'll play one of these ones. No, we'll play one of this one because this one's not spicy. We just add $1. So it says, if you land on a cozy mug, save $1, add $1 to the amount below. Okay, let's get a little, just get that little guy there. And we got a 6 and a 4 and a 1. Ooh, we've been lucky so far. And a 1 and another 1 and a 4. All right, so that's 2. Perfect. We'll go ahead and cross the 2 off. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay. Just throwing stuff everywhere. All right, so let's get started. We have $44 to play with. Hopefully I have shuffled these well enough. All right, beautiful colors. Oh, here we go. So $4. Perfect. All right, search and save. Oh, and this one is from Charma Budgets. Our Plinko was from Craft and Budget with On, and then our Mini Shut the Box was from Budgeting in a Fairy Tale. I apologize, you guys. Okay, did I do this one? I don't know. Let me see. I think I got distracted. Okay, and this one is from Blue Kiwi Budgets, and it is $1. All right, we got a Vicky Thinks. I think that's going to be our first one that we finish because it has been forever. So we got optional to minus 3, but we're going to roll a die. Oh, you know what I'm going to have? I don't have these listed on my Etsy, so I do apologize. But I did make some randomizer cards for your dice. So let's go ahead and do that. So that way it's not just a D6 because we want to save the most, right? Okay. So I'm just going to put these here. And okay, I guess the cards told us it's a D6. So 3 plus 3 is 6. We're not going to minus the 2 because no. No way. Because we want to save the most. All right, search and save for, here we are. This is budget with ADHD, and we got $3. So anything, I'm going to do, did I minus $6? I don't know if I did. Hopefully I did. I will have to pay attention when I do the edits. I hope I did. I'm thinking I got distracted and I might not have. Search and save from Angela Marie 888. We got 1. All right, hopefully. Oh, we got some bonuses. I like the bonuses. Okay, so we got $2 plus 3, 4, 5, $6. So that's 6 plus 8. We're gonna minus it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. So that card can be completed. Another Vicky Thinks. Okay, so what do we have here? 2 plus. All right, we're going to a D3. Oh, the card gods don't want us to save any money. Okay, so we have 1 plus 2, and we are going to add that, so that's 2 is only 4. You know, what I want to save the most. That is okay, I guess. We got $17 left to go. Oh, Vicky thinks again, rolling math. So we have 2 minus. Let's see what the dice gods. Oh, a D20. Okay. All right, we got our D20. We got 13. Okay, and I think that might be all of our money, you guys, but that's okay. So we got 13 minus 2 is 11, plus 3 is 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, we have $3 left. 14, if I can. Okay. We have $3 left. Let's see what we got. Angela Marie, 888. What are the odds that, again, the second time in a row, we don't get an IOU? I'm never that lucky. That's crazy. All right, so today we finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 cards. We also have, let's see what we have total saved so far. All right, so far with this box challenge, the Cozy Seasons box challenge, we have saved. Should be, I think, $100, but let's check. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 100. Yep. This one is going to be a big saver, which is fantastic. I don't know what that's going to go towards yet. I think we'll wait till it is done. And I'm a person who I have to finish the challenges. I don't like to not finish them. I don't like to leave them unfinished. Is that just me? But we still have quite a bit to go on all of these cards. So she's going to be in here a minute, but that is okay. Let me get these back in the front so we don't forget next time to do them. Let's see. I don't know where that went. All right. But thank you guys for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.